homework, teacher.
Nice. Nice. Wow, nice handwriting. You have done it very nicely.
Thank you, teacher.
And you both. Where is your homework?
Teacher, we haven't complete our
What?
because we were busy yesterday. Yes, teacher.
Okay, well, tomorrow I don't want to listen any excuse. You both have to borrow your homework. Anyhow, got it? Now sit down. Okay, class, the time is over. Now I'm leaving.
Thank you, teacher. Hey, Alex. It seems that you are the smartest student in the classroom. What do you mean? Take my copies and do my homework anyway. Otherwise, you know what kind of person we are. You know? Okay. Hey bro, what's up bro? What's going on?
Oh, rocking bro, because we are the gully boys.
No bro, we are not the gully boys. We are the bully boys.
Yes, we are bully boys.
Hey bro, let's take some pictures.
Yeah.
Bro, we are looking cool, right?
Yeah, we always.
Hey bro, let's have some fun and pick that chicken. Hey loser, come here. Come fast. Hey loser, did you do a homework?
Yeah, or else.
I can't listen. Just leave me alone. What did you say? You think you can talk back to us? Really?
Maybe we should teach you a lesson.
Hey, leave him alone. Stay out of this game. Or you are next. Alex, let's go. They are not worth it. Are you okay, Alex? Those guys are just jerks.
I'm so tired of this, Sam. This happens every day and you can't do anything about it.
I understand, but you shouldn't let them push you around like that. We need to tell someone.
But what if they make it worse, Sam? I'm so scared.
I know, but we can't let them continue this. We should stand for ourselves. So, let's go to the Miss Johnson. We need to talk with her. Good morning, Miss Johnson.
Good morning.
Actually, Miss Johnson, we need to talk to you about something.
Alex, Sam, is everything okay?
No, Miss. Alex is being bullied by so many days from some two students.
Oh, this is the reason. That's why you both are so scared. I think we need to talk to the principal. Let's go.
Let's go.
Rana?
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Actually, ma'am, there is a problem. These two boys have been bullied by some students. I think you need to talk to them. I understand this may be bullying. Can you tell me what happened?
Ma'am, Denver and David have been threatened me for weeks. They push me around and they demand that I do their work.
Yes, ma'am. I saw them threatening Alex in hallway today.
Oh, this behavior is unacceptable. I think ma'am, we need to address it.
I appreciate you coming forward with this. Bullying will not be tolerated in our school. I will talk to the students involved and their parents, and strict disciplinary actions will be taken.
Thank you.
Hey bro, what's up bro? What's going on?
All rocking bro, because we are the gully boys.
No bro, we are not the gully boy. We are the bully boy.
Yes, we are bully
Hey
boys.
bro, let's take some pictures.
Yeah.
Bro, we are looking cool, right?
Yeah, we always.
Bro, let's have a fun and pick that chicken. Hey loser, come here. Come. Well, look who it is.
Aren't you going to run and tell the teacher again?
We have reported your behavior and that's the consequences.
Yes, we are not afraid of you anymore. Your bullying, stop now. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I have heard all the conversations. Bullying will not be tolerated in our school. You both two students are suspended.
Sorry, ma'am. We will not do it again, ma'am.
No, this type of activities will not be tolerated in our school. You both two students are suspended, then suspended, that's all.